Hey there, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a December album, and I'll take you through the process of creating a page. I'm using papers from Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I have gone ahead and prepared a journaling card actually, and I put a stamp there on the bottom. It's a stamp from Stampin' Up, one of the Christmas ones, and then I put a little string there through it, and so that almost finishes this card. Later I will add a stamp for the date, which is the 10th of December. With this album, there was so much going on in 2019 during that season that I just didn't have time for a December daily, so I just call it a December album. And I do some days, so this is December 10th, and I don't have pages for December 7th through 9th. And so this one actually has pockets. I created those pockets some years ago for other albums, and I keep reusing them, obviously with different designs every time and all that, but they're really fun to have these pockets there. And I cut them out with my silhouette, and then the papers I also cut out with the silhouette because it has that shape that matches the pockets, and so that's something that I do with the silhouette. And so I glue first the bigger part on, and then on top I glue the smaller pocket on. And so all pockets go to the very bottom, so they're not layered in that they are all shallow. The back pocket is pretty deep, and then only the front pocket is a little more shallow. And so that one goes to the left, and I have these little flaps where I can glue so that there is enough space to tuck things in without having to squeeze things in. I don't like it when you just put a strip of glue without the flap. I always use flaps because it makes tucking things in much easier. And so every pocket that I use always has a flap of some sort to glue down, and then you can tuck things in more easily. And then there's this piece of paper, and I didn't want to waste a whole 6x6 paper there, and so I just put paper down for the part that is not covered by the pocket anyway, but no one knows that underneath it's not covered by paper, and who cares, honestly. So this is a stamp. Again, it's a stamp set that comes with die cuts from Stampin' Up. It's called Seasons, or Christmas, or just something seasonal, or pine. Anyway, what I love about these stamps is that they come layered, and so you can use different shades of ink to just get this beautiful real looking pine cone design there. And I happen to have the right kind of shades for that in brown, and so it works really well. And then here I stamped this little just with a circle there, and die cut, and then I staple these on to that kind of belly band that will go on the next page. And so here I have to just glue down the 6x6 paper for the background, and then on top of that I will glue that belly band that can hold more pictures and more things that I usually tuck. When I have a full album, not just for every other day, I have tons of photos, tons of little things that I can tuck in, so there's always more tuck space. But again, as I said, there was so much going on in my personal life during that season that I did not take so many pictures, and I didn't do all the things that I would usually do for a Christmas season. So anyway, this pretty much finishes. I think the photo goes into that behind that belly band. It gets tucked in there, and that finishes this page and of this mini album. And I hope you liked it. I'm going to leave you with some more close-ups. If you like it, then you can give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.